Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cindy Indalia Rosa. I make course assessment video. I will read a novel entitled The Giver, Element Intrinsic 1. Them if the novel. Resistance to memory loss and manipulation, as well as the struggle to maintain individual freedom and human uniqueness in the face of a tightly controlled society. 2. Message. The message conveyed in the novel The Giver the importance of maintaining collective and individual memory, as well as the value of freedom, emotion, and human uniqueness in forming a truly human society. This highlights the danger of controlling information and losing the experience that underlie our identity and humanity. 3. Character in the novel. Lily, Jonas, Fiona, Pemberry, and Asher. 4. The storyline of the story. There are several storylines in the novel The Giver. Introduction to society. The story begins by introducing the reader to the controlled and sterile society in which Jonas lives. All aspects of citizen life are strictly controlled to maintain order and security. Jonas' assessment. Jonas, a 12 years old teenager, is given the assessment as a memory receive. This role gives him access to the long lost collective memory of humanity, which he learned from a person called the giver. Learning from the giver. Jonas begins to learn from the giver about emotion, color, music, and real human experience that have been erased from his society. He also begins to understand that individual freedom and human uniqueness have been sacrificed to maintain order. Jonas' awareness. As time goes by, Jonas becomes more aware of the flaw of their system and the signs of injustice that underlies it. He feels called to act to change the existing situation. Important decision. Jonas finally makes the decision to flee his society with a baby he was assigned to remove. They embark on a journey in search of freedom and a more meaningful life outside their familiar boundaries. Climax and culmination. The climax of the story occurs when Jonas and the baby reach the border of their society. They face great danger and challenge in their quest to active freedom. Resolution. The story ends with Jonas' fate not anti entirely clear, leaving the reader to consider the ramifications of the struggle and decision to leave his society. 5. Setting. The Giver by Lois Lowry is a novel that has a very important setting in building the story and atmosphere. The following are some the setting elements in the novel. Time and place. The story takes place in a society in the future not far from now. The place is a very orderly and controlled community where all aspects of of community life are strictly regulated. Society and government system. Society in this novel has a authoritarian and control system of government. Extrinsic element. One, background of the author, name Lois Lowry, born Hawaii, 12 March 1937. School, Brown University. She obtained the University of Southern Maine. Roy's book, Summer to Die, number the Star to Giver. 2. Psychologist. The novel The Giver investigates various deep themes and concepts regarding human life, emotion, and personal experience. Following are some significant psychology aspects in this novel. Emotional control, memory and personal experience, personal growth, internal conflict. 3. 3. Interpersonal relationship. The relationship between Jonas and the giver illustration the importance of supportive and understanding interpersonal relationship. This suggests that the presence of a person can have a profound impact on an individual's psychology development. Through the exploration of the themes, the giver not only depicts the psychological challenge of individual in the context of a controlled society, but also explores fundamental human values such as freedom, thus and importance of valuing personal emotion as experience. For background of the society, the societal setting in the novel The Giver is very important because it creates and deep content for the story and decreases our understanding of how society is organized and function. The following are several elements of the social background in the novel. Control society, loss of individuality, authoritarian government system, limited information and knowledge, lack of color and aesthetic, freedom versus security, knowledge and truth, emotion and humanity, sacrifice and caring, justice and humanity. 5. Politics. Although the novel The Giver does not focus directly on politics in the traditional sense, the story contains politic elements that can be seen from the perspective on government structure, social control, and power. Authoritarian government system, imbalance of power, information manipulation, racial unchanged. Although this story takes a more focused approach on the moral and psychological aspect, the political element present provides an insight into how power, social control, and misuse of information can affect social structure and individual in a controlled society, such as that depth in the giver. Thank, thank you, thank you. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.